Hey, welcome to day 53. I'm currently at the airport. I am trying to get some steps in because I can't work out. So I'm trying to get at least 4,000 steps. I may not be able to get 7,000 or 10,000, but if I can get 4,000, and then when I get to the next airport, I may be able to do another 500 or so. So I think that is good enough. I've been drinking my water so far. I drank 2 bottles of water. You can't really bring it to the airport. When I was about to board the shuttle to the airport, I got some chicharrones and some popcorn. This is me eating them. I'm having some pork rinds, some chicharrones, and I'm having my good old popcorn. I'm so hungry. I've already done my reading. I was reading my pages. Oh, I can do my little reading demo right here. That's smart. So let's grab the book. I'm really, really enjoying this book. As I said, it's my favorite book of all time. Chapter 11, Turning Your Dreams into Reality. Whatever you can do or dream you can do, begin it. Boldness has genius, power, and magic in it. So, yeah. Alright, guys, I just finished doing my reading. I'll be walking around the airport and trying to get my 4,000 steps in. This music is loud as hell. But hey, we make the best of the situation that we have, and that's all we can do. Thank you.
Home market. Mexico.
Thank you guys for watching. Have a super awesome day, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Mwah.